Hi, Sack here. Now, Leah wants to come over to my house with me, Kimmy, and Rover. But now, she's really cute than me. Wanna see this render picture? Ooh. Look at her, she's pretty nice, isn't it? I think she wears her tank top, which exposes her tummy. Oh, she doesn't have her belly button. She also wears her boots, belt, and jeans. She doesn't have her bracelets and necklace. Well, maybe I'm not sure. As you probably know, this cute girl cartoon character, rigged and textured, would have a link in description. Okay, I'm going to hang out with Kim and Rover. Now, let's watch and see what it goes.
Hi, Leah.
Hi, Rover.
How are you feeling?
I feel really nice. Can I come in, please?
Sure thing.
Ah, this couch is really deep, cozy. Ooh, look at that, it's an ostrich.
Whoa. Look at that. It's a penguin.
Ooh, the little penguin was so cute.
Yes, it is.
Look, they're ready to start.
Oh, that's a good idea. Where did it go?
The penguin is going to the finish line. The penguin win, and the ostrich lose. Wow, that was so beautiful.
Oh, I love ostriches.
Yeah, I love it too.
Oh, Leah was my aunt. So, I should call her Aunt Leah. Now, you can leave a like and comment on this video if you like Leah. Alright then, I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. Hee hee.